What's up, Voodooers? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get ready for the action because that's how we do it. You know what I mean? Here, Voodoo. So I'm gonna walk you guys through a V8 swap that I have on a 1985 Ford Ranger. Started off 4-cylinder, 5-speed, manual trans, and decided to do something with it. I've had the truck now for a couple of years. Really didn't have many plans to do with it, just drive it. But after a while, I seen the potential in it, so I went ahead and wanted to put the V8 in it. The V8 actually comes from an old block that I've had now for about 20 years. It's an old Roller Block 5.0 block that I've had, and as far as I ever took it was 30 over. So with this, I just went ahead and just kept the same stroke and stock stroke and just boarded 60 over, which makes it around about a 310. And put some real good 351 Windsor Heads on there, kind of make it breathe well. And I'm going to go with 150 shot NOS on it. So we're going to go ahead and hit the tracks up this summer and kind of get out there and have a little fun and have you guys travel along with us and keep up and try to cut down on some of these times. Next, what I'll start to show is how the truck started off stock, how we removed the 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual trans. And then, of course, you'll start to see the power wash and clean up the engine bay and get ready for the V8 swap. So the V8 swap, what I did start off with is a oil filter relocator kit, which came with hoses and a relocator and an application where the oil filter goes. And then I also bought Jegg's V8 Ranger or Explorer motor mount kit. And the headers that I used off this was off of a 1965 V8 302 Ford Falcon, and I used a HEI distributor so that way I wouldn't have to go back with the ignition control module and the brain that sits on the side of the distributor. So this is what it is. I'll go ahead and cut into the video, let you guys check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
We're going to pressure wash the engine bay, clean it up. Let's get started. Always remember to wear your safety goggles. Safety first.